Czinger just chopped the roof off one of the fastest, most radical hypercars on Earth, and the performance numbers are completely off the charts. Meet the all-new Czinger 21C Spyder, an ultra-exclusive 1,250 horsepower open-top track monster. Welcome back to Vision Effect TV, your premier destination for deep-dive mechanical engineering, design dissections, and global vehicle breakdowns. Today, we are dissecting an American engineering marvel, the 21C Spyder. Strictly limited to a production run of just 30 units worldwide, this open cockpit weapon is significantly rarer than almost any modern Bugatti. Yet it launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-bending 1.9 seconds. By removing the roof panel, Czinger allows drivers to experience the screaming acoustic soundtrack of its 11,000 RPM flat-plane V8 with absolute zero filter. So, what 3D printed structural wizardry, active aerodynamic packaging, and revolutionary brake hardware make this open-top titan so ridiculously fast? Let's analyze the engineering reality. To maintain structural rigidity without adding dead weight, Czinger relied on generative AI algorithms and additive manufacturing. The chassis is built using proprietary 3D printed aluminum and carbon nodes, optimizing structural stiffness while stripping away every unnecessary gram of material. Just like a jet fighter or a Le Mans prototype, the 21C Spyder utilizes a central 1+1 tandem seating layout. Placing the passenger directly behind the driver narrows the frontal cross-sectional area, dramatically reducing aerodynamic drag. This narrow canopy allows massive, functional underbody venturi tunnels to sweep along the side profile, channeling boundary layer airflow straight into a giant rear diffuser. Even with the open cockpit configuration, the active aerodynamic package generates over 3,200 pounds of downforce at high speeds, pinning the chassis to the tarmac through high-G cornering transitions. Underneath that sculpted, aerodynamic composite skin lies a mechanical heart that completely redefines modern hypercar engineering. At its core sits a bespoke 2.88-liter flat-plane crank twin-turbocharged V8 engine, engineered completely in-house to rev to a staggering 11,000 RPM. By itself, this compact combustion marvel pumps out 750 horsepower, delivering an aggressive, high-pitched acoustic note that echoes straight into the open cabin. To eliminate turbo lag and provide relentless low-end thrust, Czinger paired this screaming V8 with an advanced high-voltage hybrid powertrain. Two permanent magnet electric motors drive the front wheels independently with precise torque vectoring, while a third motor generator unit is mounted directly to the crankshaft. Working together, the combined system channels a mind-bending 1,250 horsepower and 691 pound-feet of torque through a 7-speed automated, sequential transmission. This setup propels the all-wheel drive Spyder from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a brutal 1.9 seconds, covering the quarter mile in just 8.7 seconds. However, the true revolution of the 21C Spyder lies in its chassis and suspension dynamics. Czinger introduced a world-first technology called BrakeNode, consolidating the brake caliper, suspension upright, and internal hydraulic fluid pathways into a single, topology-optimized 3D printed component. Built from proprietary Z301 aluminum alloy, BrakeNode reduces unsprung mass by 1.5 pounds per corner while increasing structural stiffness by 30%. By eliminating external rubber brake lines and routing fluid through internal channels, it removes a major failure point while improving pedal feel and reducing stopping distances by up to 15%. Up front, Formula One-derived titanium pistons keep hydraulic fluid 15% cooler under track abuse, clamping down on massive 16.1-inch carbon ceramic rotors. From its 11,000 revolutions per minute redline to its 3D printed organic suspension geometry, the 21C Spyder is engineered for pure, uncompromised track supremacy. So, is the Czinger 21C Spyder the ultimate open-air track weapon? Without a doubt, yes. By combining over 3,000 pounds of ground effect downforce with an open cockpit, Czinger delivers a visceral, Formula One level driving experience on track. Its AI-driven 3D printed chassis, revolutionary BrakeNode technology, and 11,000 RPM hybrid powertrain prove that additive manufacturing is completely redefining hypercar performance. In our personal engineering assessment here at Vision Effect TV, the 21C Spyder isn't just a low-volume exotic, it is a ruthless, rolling demonstration of future automotive technology. The Czinger 21C Spyder is rarer than a Bugatti, faster than a race car, and easily one of the most mechanically impressive open-top hypercars ever built. Would you take this 1,250 horsepower Spyder over a Bugatti Tourbillon or Koenigsegg Jesko? Drop your technical thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button, subscribe to Vision Effect TV, and turn on notifications for more deep-dive automotive engineering breakdowns.